And good evening, everyone. How y'all doing? Brian Swan over here with Strategic Trading. And as promised, my friends, earlier in the month, we said that we were going to open up our stock trading window, our stock trading portfolio. And I jumped into some stocks earlier this month and I promptly pulled back because, as I said, stocks is a new area for me. But once you know how to trade anything, you know how to trade. And stocks are no different than any other instrument. You just have to learn how they work and the ins and outs of them and what moves the underlying market. That is the key to anything you trade. So, in that spirit, I started looking around for different applications and different learning materials on which would be the best way to pick up trading stocks. So I ran across several very good applications, and this one I absolutely love, and I'm going to stick with this one, and I wanted to show it to you. It's simply called Stock Trainer. It's simply what it's called, and it is one of the best applications that I've looked at so far over the past dozen or so. Now, don't get me wrong, I already have a Robinhood account, and I also have a stockpile account, which I'm very, crazy about those two, but we'll get into those later. But for you guys right now, who are just getting into the markets and want to learn stocks like I do, I feel this is a really good one, and I'm going to show you some of the ins and outs of it really quick, and what I'm doing with it at least. Now, I don't know how you guys pick what your valuations of companies are and what stocks you decide to pick on and trade. But for me, I'm a price action guy. I'm coming from the currency market, and I'm coming from a market where we look at basically the price of one thing, buy low, sell high, and we're looking for movement on a short-term basis. I'm not looking to invest. I'm looking to trade. I'm looking to buy quickly and get rid of quickly and make a profit on that. And of course, with stock trading, you have your pattern day trading rule. You have to have $25,000 if you make so many trades in a day or in a 5-day period. So you have to be careful of that. So you have to make them count. Now, the reason I like this is because this stock trainer comes with it comes with a $20,000 starting balance, which is pretty good, and you can take off a couple of zeros, and you can imagine to be 2,000 or 200 or whatever. But I went ahead and I went with the $20,000 trainer here, and I found several stocks that I will be purchasing. Some that I already have, but I like the entire portfolio section of it. Now here's your summary. Now you can see where I have a starting investment of $20,000, and I've already got $19,000 worth of stocks invested here with available cash of $851. And you see how they have it broken down here. Here are my transactions I got the other day. I bought now Tops. Let me show you something. These are some of the stocks I actually own, and I went ahead and I bought them in the trainer here. Now Tops is an actual shipping company, and they're based out of Greece. And once again, I got them because they're dirt cheap. But once again, they're dirt cheap for a reason. Okay, 20 cents a share is what this costs right here. And my thinking and my logic is, hey, how much lower can it go? Okay, when you're in the bottom, you ain't got nowhere to go but up. Now maybe that's a flawed logic. Time will tell. Okay, but that's the way I'm looking at it. So we have Top Shipping, which is it did okay today. Let me see. We came in at 20,000. Excuse me. The high of the day was 20 cents. We opened at 19. And if you have a lot of shares of this, which you can get, it's so cheap, it can come up to a nice little bit of money, for the end of the week. Let's see what else we have here. Now here's a company that I'm actually interested in holding on to and keeping them. And I actually own, I own shares in all of the ones that you're actually looking at right now. This is CXTY. This is Cytor Therapeutics. Now, this is a stem cell company, and they're a laboratory whose goal is to basically find a way to cure forms of cancer. And I've done the research on them. A few years ago, when stem cell research was all the rage, they were up to around $160 a share. Currently, they're trading around 31 cents. Hey, go figure. But once again, the logic is, hey, how much lower can you go? but I like them, and I believe that this investment that I'm going to hold on to, if you look at their long-term growth, you see that they've done big spikes here. But right now they're going through a hard time as far as growth is concerned. But this is one of the things I like about the application. To show you once again, the application not only shows you the long-term, short-term, mid-term charts, it also shows you news, and you can go ahead and you can pull up full research on the companies. And I think CXTY, Cytotherapeutics, will actually be a company worth investing in. Because, like I say, it only takes one incident, one breakthrough, one discovery, and a 30-cent share can go to 300 like that overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy lots and lots and lots of it because hey, I got lots of 30 cents around here. Okay, man, I can find 30 cents in the glove compartment. I can find 30 cents underneath the sofa mattresses. So every time I find 30 cents, I'm gonna share this. And if it doesn't come through, I learned a valuable lesson for 30 cents. Or you're gonna get something like that. Okay, now back to the rest of the stocks I have. Now we have GE. Now GE, guys, General Electric. Yeah, I've spoken about this before. I'm gonna speak about it again. General Electric was one of the first original companies in the Dow Index. Okay, it was one of the first 12 companies there. It's been in the game since 1892. 1892. GE is a player. Okay, now GE is going through some rough times. They having their rough, patches right now. They're going through investigations and all that good stuff. But longevity has got to count for something. There is no way you can look at a player in the game for, over 100 years and say, they're done. You're foolish. Now, right now, if you look at where GE is, it's only been three times in their history that their share price has been to where it is now, which is around $14 a share. All I can tell you is this: if you don't have GE stock and you can afford it and you don't have it, that's a foolish move because they will rebound. They have shown time and time and time again over their 100 plus years of existence that they are definitely a company to invest in. Now, this isn't a trade for me. This is an investment. I'm not in love with GE. I don't have any GE stock before. I never worked for GE or anything like that. And before I started studying this subject matter, GE never crossed my mind. But as I have been studying and looking at what we have, GE is definitely one worth putting your money in because of its longevity and because of the fact that, my God, it's General Electric. People, get out of here. Give me a break. So that's all I have to say about that one. Now, GM, of course, General Motors, no relation to General Electric. I don't know. But once again, GM is a good company. Now, they're a mid-price stock. They're around $42 a share. But hey, that's General Motors. Give me a break. They're good. And now, this company is called, here it is, Mobiltron. Now, they just signed a deal with Google, and their share price blew from around, what is it, $4.80 or something like 80 cents a share to around $4.90 a share. They signed with a deal with Google, and this company will be working together, making whatever they make. Okay, but whatever the deal is with Google, and Google said, hey, this company is good enough that we're going to actually throw some money in their pockets, and we're going to team up with them to do this. Well, you can bet your bottom dollar that they're going to be around for a long time. So, or at least they're going to be around in the short term long enough that you can make some money with them. So I'm looking at them heavily, very heavily. But right now I still have some investigation to do on them. But good enough that I'm in, I like what they said. Now, one of the things that I've learned since we've started this entire endeavor of stock trading is the ETF. The ETF is the exchange traded fund. It's a way to trade an index or a basket of a basket of stocks without any one particular one. There's Vanguard and there's several other ones, but ETFs are one of the things that anybody has to have in their portfolio if they want to be well-rounded and diversified. I've discovered this ETF. Well, not I discovered it, but it's one I've chosen. It's called the iShares ETF, and it covers a basket of NASDAQ and other companies. And right now, it's currently trading at 122.27, which is up $1.66 a share today alone, which represents 1.38% growth in a day. Not bad. But it doesn't have to be this ETF. It can be any ETF if you want to. But an ETF is one of the things that you want to have in your portfolio. So what I'm looking at is a well-rounded, diversified portfolio with some long-term growth, some new companies that can have immediate expansion and some stability, even if it's a down company like GE. So that's my thinking along my portfolio growth. But there is one thing, and I'm going to wrap this up in a minute, that I want to show you guys. And I want your opinions on this. Tell me what you think. I discovered a basket of currencies here. Not currencies. I keep wanting to say currencies. Excuse me, guys. I discovered let me find the watch list here. A basket of financial trusts. Okay, now financial trusts are something like ETFs that you can trade. And here's the thing about these guys that I think is just stands out tremendously. And I think this is going to be the best buy to get. And I'm definitely going to be purchasing this one. I want to show you the rest of them first. This is the, here's the quote. Okay, guys, this is the, it comes up. Here it is. The RAIT Financial Trust. This one is the RASPC, and it is $18.80 a share. So all you need to know right now, $18.80 a share. Okay? And this one, let me get it up, is $23.26 a share. You know what? I have a better way. Let me show you this here, guys. We'll do it like this here. We're going to do it like this. Yes, everything is on my phone, guys. And if you're not rocking the phone stuff, something's wrong with you. But that's what's happening. Okay. Okay, we're going to bring this up on Robinhood here. Now, we're going to go to our watch list here. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, now, because I have all these on my watch list over here on Robinhood. Same things I'm definitely going to be purchasing. Okay, now, here is the RAIT Financial Trust. Now, this one is $18.80 a share. Okay, $18.80. And the next one with it is, it's in the same family of financial trust. It's the same group of them. It's a family of them. This one is $15.94 a share, while as this one is $16.90 a share. The following one, we'll come back to that one. Wait. The following one is $20 a share. And this one is $23 a share. But the final one, the one that I really want you to look at, 47 cents a share. $18, $16, $23, $19, 47 cents. And it's in the same family of financial instruments. So immediately that caught my interest. Immediately it did. And I did a quick analysis of this. And granted, guys, I'm going to tell you now, I'm not a stock picker. This is new to me. I just know the routine that I need to go through. I know the things I need to do. And this is still a new process. But I have the ability, like most of you do, if you listen, especially if you listen this far. If you are here with me right now, you have the same abilities that I have. We know how to learn fast. We know how to figure out what we don't know, and we know where we want to go. So I knew that I need to find out some research on this company. And I found out that this company currently they're basically a company who's they manage apartment buildings. That's what this company does. The trust here manages apartment buildings, and that seems to be a stable, sound investment. But the fact that they are in a family of related instruments, and there is 47 cents as compared to $20, tells me that either the rest of them are going to come down really quickly, or that this one somehow is totally mispriced and it will be corrected upon sometime in the near future or the long term. Its price will have to match the rest of its family members. Now, this could be a totally incorrect assessment. I doubt it. I doubt it seriously, but this is going to be the topic that I'm going to be studying up on next. And this is going to be the topic that I'm going to bring to you. But more than definitely than that, this is going to be a stock that I will be purchasing for no other reason. It meets my criteria of price action. 47 cents to $20. Hey, man, I'm willing to put in a couple $100 on that one. So before I do that, though, we're going to go back over here to where we started with our stock trainer. And you see that it shows you, where are we at here? Okay. Now it shows you that we have, it takes a little time to come over, I have about $800 in buying power from this application. And I'm going to put all of that $800 towards the purchase of our new stock that we just talked about, our RTAF at 47 cents. So we're going to purchase some of that, and we are going to see how we do over the course of the next week with this. And by the way, today it was up 2 cents, 2.5 cents. So from 44 to 47 in a day. And which further goes to show you that I believe that it will increase in value, because it did today. Okay, here's a quote. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our power to that. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. I just want to show you guys a little something about this new application and where we're going on it. And if you guys like the video, press like, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Anything you want to see, any questions, criticism, comments, concerns, go ahead, jump it on in there. Let me know what you think. And let's go ahead and take this to the next level, And I want to thank everyone who has been with me so far with these videos and what we're doing. I never would have assumed, a year ago, 2 years ago, that I would have such a tremendous response like I've been getting from you guys. I never thought I would be doing this. And the fact that you guys are enabling me to live the dream that I wish to live the life that I wish to live, I thank you for that. And I hope you guys get to do the exact same thing. And if I can help you like you help me, it's on. Okay, so let's go ahead and buy some of this stuff. All right. Oh, nice. Oh, Christ. I want to buy this. Okay. Bye. All right. And you see how cool this is? It gives you your available number of funds, how many shares you can buy off the top. We can get 1,769 shares. We're going to get the whole daggum thing, man. 17. Tell you what, we're going to leave a little wiggle room, guys. We're just going to call it 1,500. Now, you know what? Back it up a little even more. We're going to call it 1,000 shares. Okay. 1,000 shares. Brokerage fee is going to be $10. And 1,000 shares, this is going to cost us $485. We're going to buy that. And throw it on our watch list. It's already on there. Okay. Cool. And guys, see what we have. Oh, hold on. Once again, see, news about this. I love this application. Has all kinds of good information on this stuff. Okay, so let's go over here and look at our portfolio. And we have it right here. And here we go. So guys, we'll pay attention to the ones that we have on here. Tops, Cytotherapeutics. I can never say that name. Oh gosh. GE, GM, Mobiliare, the ETF, and the iShares ETF, and our newest, the RAIT Financial Trust. Those are going to be the stocks that we're going to go ahead and pick and use for our learning purposes. Some of these I have in real life, some of them I just got to test out. Guys, leave me a like, comment, tell me what you think. I want you all to have a great day. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Peace.